This is the front bumper cover for the um, Cavalier that I got from Copart. Anyway, I got it in primer, got sanded and everything, got the repair done to the crack, and pulled it all back together so it looks like it's supposed to. Um, anyway, like I said, got it in primer. Gonna wet sand it and get it ready. Gonna flip it over and do the bottom skirt and see how that turns out. So I can try to get this thing back together here pretty soon. Just so many things going on right now. It's been weather hasn't been real great for working on cars, but among other things. So anyway, we'll see if we can get some color on this. All right. Well, I'll update it later. Hi guys, this is Dave. This is my repainted front bumper for the Chevy Cavalier Copart car. Had a hard time finding this, as I said earlier. Nobody had one in Victory Red, so this one was in yellow. Had to do some repair work to it and some other things. It was had a big crack in the bottom skirt, and I bought a new plastic welder to do the work with. This basically, sanded it, washed it down real good. 2 coats of primer, sanded it again, and 3 coats of red, and then 3 coats of clear on it. Of course, I sanded it after I put my last coat of red on. So for rattle cans, it didn't turn out too bad. I probably could have bought a quart of paint and done it for about the same money, maybe. I don't know. Took 5 cans of red and 2 cans of clear at about $9 a can. So 7 cans of paint, $63 plus tax. Got the bumper cover for $50, which was a steal. One thing I didn't notice when I bought it was this this pad, this alignment pad, and this one were broken off. This one, fortunately, I was able to salvage the 2 off the old bumper cover, and was able to use construction adhesive to put those on. Also use some screws. This stuff is extremely dense, so you can drill it, do other stuff with it. This one was cracked and moving just a little bit, so I went ahead and glued it too. This one was fine. Anyway, those are, they're not probably super critical, but they serve a purpose, kind of keep it lined up on the bumper itself. So anyway, I'm going to put the running lights or the fog lights back in, and then put the fasteners back on, try to get this on. All right, have a good one. Hi YouTubers, this is Dave. Got this Copart Cavalier. It used to be a yellow front bumper cover. This car in particular has a sport appearance package that was on it. Had a couple little issues with this. I'm going to have to touch up over there. You can probably see it. There's a crack there, and for whatever reason, when I got to messing around and buffing that, it flaked right out of there. So I don't know if I didn't get it clean enough right there or what. Anyway, yellow bumper cover, used Duplicolor Victory Red, and it's not quite as shiny as the car, obviously, but it doesn't look too awful bad. I still got some work to do to it. Got to put the top piece on, headlights back in, obviously. But anyway, it's starting to shape up. So I want to keep plugging away at this thing and get it all cleaned up and do a before and after shot of the car before it gets cleaned up. And I'll probably repair that spot down there in the right corner. That would be the right corner of the car, of course. So disappointing. Something else, I didn't realize it till I started bolting the my camera's out of focus.